Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I'm going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you weirdest thing found in the ocean. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. First discovery is an ancient computer. That's right, long before Microsoft or Apple, there was apparently this wonder. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered sometime between 1900 to 1901 on the Antikythera shipwreck of the Greek island of the same name. It is believed to the earliest form of a computer. The Antikythera is an analog computer that was designed to serve several purposes, including predicting the astronomical position and eclipse on the calendar. As so much of the period of history's technology has been lost, such advanced use of technology did most not reappear in European historical artifact until the 14th century. It is now on display at the National Archaeological Museum of Athens. And the next one is world oldest city. Remains of a lost city in Gulf of Campe off the coast of India were discovered in 2001, which some archaeologists believe to be the oldest city in history. Artifacts found have included a piece of sculpture, human remains, artwork, and even wood furniture, and a piece of wood. Examined is estimated to be at least 9,500 years old. Shrouded in mystery, scientists and archaeological are still working to decipher just exactly what period of history the city would have existed within. And the next discovery is locomotive graveyard. In 1985, a locomotive graveyard was discovered off the coast of New Jersey, United States, dating back to the 1850s. There is no known record of why they were dumped into the ocean or that they were even built at all. Historians predict that they either fell off a barge by accident or were deliberately thrown off a ship to reduce it sinking through rough seas. Although they are rusty, they are still in very good condition and have now become a popular spot for wreck diving. And the next discovery is an alien saucer. In 2011, Oceanx discovered the Baltic Sea anomaly found on the floor of the northern Baltic Sea. It is an unusually shaped rock structure that many have claimed resembles an alien saucer. Other theories have been that it is the remain of a World War II and submarine device and even an underwater Nazi base. However, several scientists have claimed that despite its weird appearance, it is likely just an unusual rock formation that good old Mother Nature created and very unlikely to be man or alien made. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us and tell us about which discovery is looking like weird. We will meet in next video for that. Take care.